What is electrical energy to sound energy? The part of the speaker that converts electrical into mechanical energy is frequently called the motor or voice coil. The motor vibrates in a diaphragm that in turn vibrates the air in immediate contact with it, producing a sound wave corresponding to the pattern of the original speech or music signal. Project description of door alarm. In this tutorial, we are demonstrating the mini project of door alarm. A door alarm is a for produce sound energy from the electrical energy generated by a 9-volt battery. It can also find out if someone wants to enter the house without known to the host.
The project objective of door alarm to build a device with vibration to electrical transducer that alerts the user when somebody is at the door. Unlike a traditional doorbell, this doorbell plays a ringtone when somebody knocks at the door. It also illuminates an LED to alert the user. It is easier to install than a traditional doorbell because no holes need to be drilled and no wiring needs to be done. The user simply install batteries and mounts the device on the door. So in this diagram we can see on the top of the bottle we can see the pipe of the buzzer, the on off switch, round plastic container cup as a main materials, and the metal sheet, the neodymium magnet, and then on the bottom of the bottle plastic container cup we can see the back of the on off switch, the 9-volt battery connector and 9-volt battery. For the cost and material, we use the bike buzzer, the on and off switch, 9-volt battery connector, neodymium magnet, 9-volt battery, metal sheet, small plastic bottle, the round plastic container cap, and the double side tape.
The result of the mini project we completed can produce electrical energy to sound energy. The bike buzzer can make a sound around 90 dBA. Impact of the mini project. Advantage. First, keep the criminal away. Will be instantly notified by home security system whenever any person triggers the sensor. Second, protect your valuable asset. Many times due to home invention, homeowners tend to lose expensive gadgets, money and jewelry. This is even more tragic if the item that is stolen is an replaceable family heirloom. Disadvantage. False alarm. While a home alarm system can provide security and peace of mind, it has the potential to become fairly annoying as well. It is not uncommon for false alarms to occur with your system. Second, expense. It is costly to have the system installed in the first place. But security complaints charge a daily or monthly fee to provide monitoring service as well.